Mr President, at a date yet to be announced, my constituents in Wales will be faced with a choice that will affect us for generations to come, voting on whether or not to remain in the European Union. For my party, Plaid Cymru, and for many in Wales, like local authorities, businesses and voluntary organisations, EU membership is vital in building our economy and our communities. Wales has benefited from EU solidarity through the structural funds and from legislation protecting workers, the environment and our rural areas, and much more. I know that Wales has a great deal to contribute to making the EU more effective, improving Europe for all our peoples. We want to engage far more directly, positively and proactively. We want to work together in the interests of peace, social justice and sustainability. There may be no decision taken this week in relation to the UK, but I want to send a strong message that we'll be making a very clear and positive case for remaining in the EU in Wales's interest and Europe's interests.